how much should you actually spend on a laser hair removal machine? It's a bit interesting because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. To really understand what works, you've got to look beyond the price tag.
Product number 1, Inza IPL Hair Removal. The Inza IPL Hair Removal device. Priced at $69.99, this caught my eye with its impressive promise of long-lasting results and an ice cooling function to boot. If you're looking for pain-free hair removal at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Inza uses IPL technology with 999,999 flashes and a strong energy output of 5J per centimeter squared, which means it effectively zaps hair at the root and slows down regrowth. You can expect up to 95.08% hair reduction in just 3 weeks with consistent use. Plus, it offers 2 modes for different body areas, auto for larger spots and manual for sensitive areas like your bikini line. Now, some people complained about it needing to be plugged in to operate. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about getting results, a little cord shouldn't be a deal breaker. You'll just have to ensure you're near an outlet. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option for at-home treatments without sacrificing comfort. Skip this one if you're looking for a device that's completely cordless. For the price, it really does deliver value for money. Now, if the cord issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Inza IPL Hair Removal, corded, for $69.99 too. It's quite similar, but worth noting for those who prefer a device that's solely for home use. If you're on a budget and serious about hair removal, this is definitely worth a serious look. This model shares the same IPL technology with 999,999 flashes and that same 5J per centimeter squared energy output, effectively damaging hair follicles to reduce hair growth. The built-in ice cooling feature helps keep your skin comfortable during sessions so you can focus on getting those smooth results. Now, some users might find the cord a bit restrictive, especially if they like to move around while using it. But honestly, if you're committed to hair removal, the trade-off for effective results is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and effective hair removal device without the high-end price tag. Skip this if you need a totally wireless experience. Overall, it's a solid investment for at-home hair removal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking advanced features. Product number 3, Nude New Flasher Pro. We have the Nude New Flasher Pro priced at $299. This caught my attention because it claims to deliver clinical-grade results at home. If you're looking for something more advanced and effective, this might be your pick. What's striking about the Flasher Pro is its cryo-soothe cooling technology, which keeps your skin cool during treatments. Definitely a plus for pain-sensitive individuals. It targets hair at the root, promising near-permanent results in just weeks, which is ideal if you want to see visible changes fast. Plus, it even comes with an anti-aging lens to tackle fine lines, making it a 2-in-1 treatment. But here's the honest flaw. At $299, it's on the pricier side. Some might feel hesitant about splurging without knowing the effectiveness. However, if you're serious about hair removal and skincare, this investment could pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one device that not only removes hair, but also helps with skin rejuvenation. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option. For what it offers, the value could be significant for the right user. Now, if you're not too keen on spending that much, the next option is much more budget-friendly. Product number 4, Braun IPL Silk Expert Pro 5, which comes in at $419.99. This device is known for its salon quality results without the salon costs. If you want effective hair reduction backed by clinical studies, this is worth considering. With up to 95% hair reduction in just 1 month, it's designed for fast treatments, taking only about 10 minutes for full body sessions. What's particularly impressive is the Senso Adapt skin tone sensor that adjusts the intensity of flashes based on your skin tone, ensuring a safe experience. However, the price tag might throw some people off, especially if you're cautious about spending. But look, if you're serious about long-term hair reduction, the investment could be justified given the results and technology. This is perfect for you if you want a top-of-the-line device that delivers on its promises and saves you salon visits. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Given its features, the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 offers excellent value for serious users. Now, if that price gave you pause, the next product offers a wallet-friendly option.
Product number 5. Ubru IPL Laser Hair Removal Device, priced at only $66.16. This is a fantastic option for those looking for an effective yet affordable device. If you're wanting to achieve salon-quality results at home without breaking the bank, this deserves your attention. The Ubru device boasts professional IPL technology with up to 96% hair reduction in just 2 to 4 weeks. It features a smart touchscreen for easy control over energy levels, making it user-friendly. Plus, the innovative cooling system helps eliminate discomfort, which is perfect for sensitive areas. Still, some users mention that it might not be as effective on all hair and skin types. While it works wonders for many, if you have lighter hair or darker skin, you might want to check compatibility first. But honestly, for the price, it's a worthwhile risk to take. This is perfect for you if you're new to at-home hair removal and want something cost-effective. Skip this if you're looking for the latest high-end technology. For its low price, it offers great value if you want effective hair removal at home. So, to recap, we've got the budget-friendly Inza IPL devices that offer solid results, the advanced Nude Flasher Pro for those ready to invest, the Bronze Silk Expert Pro 5 with phenomenal results but at a higher price, and finally, the Ubru for those wanting effective hair removal without spending a fortune. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. Remember, whether you want comfort, effectiveness, or a balance of both, there's an option for everyone.